Hi, thanks for joining us today. Maybe you are asking yourself how to improve the look of my living room, or how to decorate a living room in style, or how to create an elegant living room, what to hang on the wall above the living room sofa. There are so many questions about living room decor, but fortunately our video tries to answer to your decorating issues. Watch the video and check out these amazing images. You will discover smart, creative and inspiring ideas to decorate the wall above living room sofa. From paintings to wall-mounting floating shelves, get inspired and increase the look and the storage space of your own living room with smart and affordable ideas. Let's see several of them. Just look at this creative idea, a mix of wall-mounted shelves and modern paintings. Charming living room decor with two modern paintings on the wall above a lovely Chesterfield sofa style. Simple Scandinavian style living room decor with just a floating shelf on the wall above the sofa. Simple, beautiful and on budget living room design. Lovely painting of poppy flowers and wall mounted shelving system on the wall above a two-seat comfortable sofa. Another simple but great decorating idea, using several different size paintings. A similar decorating idea, this time using black and white pictures. So, if you are wondering what to do with the living room walls, especially accent walls, here in this video you can find some creative and inspiring solutions. We sincerely hope that our video can help you, giving you some useful ideas. For sure, you will find here many inspiring tips and ways that can help you to decorate a living room wall, the empty space above the sofa. like in this image where you can see a wallpapered living room wall decorated with a magnificent mirror. What do you think about this idea with modern pictures above the sofa? Fabulous living room decor with modern paintings. Simple design with wall-mounted shelves and different size pictures. Mirror and pictures on the wall above sofa. Similar decor with the previous one. Pictures on floating shelves. We hope you are enjoying our video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like.